This is the real Avid Gun Boss Pro AR15 cleaning kit. The perfect kit for the obsessive AR15 owner. The virtually indestructible polycarbonate case closes securely so you can throw and go, yet rest easy you won't end up with a mess in the bottom of your range bag or gun case. It opens into a kickstand for easy access to its 18 components, each with a specific compartment or clip. We designed an innovative multifunction rubberized handle that fits comfortably in your hand and includes a tap hammer for stubborn pins, a rotating brass threaded receiver, and a fixed threaded receiver. From scraping fouling off your bolt to deep cleaning your bore and star chamber, this kit will keep your AR-15 operating at peak performance. 4 brass rods, a 3-in-1 pin punch, bore illuminator safety flag, a hook steel cleaning pick, 90-degree brass scraper, bolt carrier brush, star chamber brush, 223-556 phosphor bronze bore brush, nylon slotted tip, 6 wool star chamber cleaning pads, and 50 cleaning patches. This is a professional grade toolkit, not a typical cheap tray-based spill-prone kit. The real Avid Gun Boss Pro AR-15 cleaning kit. Tough, organized, thorough. Kinda like you.